Hey guys, it's Katie with S&B, and today we're going to install our cold air intake on the 2018 to 2023 Ford F-150 5.0 liter, so let's get started. So you're going to start by loosening the hose clamps at the OEM airbox and then also at the throttle body. Next, you're going to disconnect these two fittings at the back of the stock tube. Disconnect this hose and then we can remove the stock intake tube from the vehicle. Disconnect this sensor from the stock airbox. Remove the two push rivets securing the inlet to the vehicle. Remove the bolt securing the airbox to the vehicle. Now you can pull out the airbox assembly. Just make sure you lift them up and out of the grommets. So next we're going to install the quick connect fittings onto the S&B intake tube. And remember, you're just going to tighten them down by hand and then you'll go one turn with a wrench. And it's okay to see threads, they're not going to sit all the way flush. Install the coupler and clamps onto the S&B intake tube. Now you're going to prep the S&B airbox. You're going to install the front scoop and secure it down using these push-in rivets. Install this cuff onto the airbox and install the tab side down. And then you can tighten down the hose clamp. Before we install the airbox into the vehicle, you're going to go ahead and remove the grommet and the shoulder washer, and then you'll install it into the S&B airbox. So when installing the airbox into the vehicle, you're going to want to make sure that these prongs are fully seated in the grommet. And then this harness that you disconnected earlier is just going to go into this little spot. And then we're going to secure it down using the bolt that we removed earlier. Secure down the front inlet using the provided push rivets. Now you're going to install the air filter into the air box, and this will make it easier to install the tube. So now you're going to install the intake tube into the vehicle. Just be careful of this line. And you'll want to install So once you have the tube fully installed, you can then install the air filter and tighten down the hose clamp. So now you can tighten down the hose clamps on the coupler attached to the throttle body, and then reconnect the quick connect fittings. So now you're going to remove the protective layer from both sides of the clear lid. And then install it into the snap-in lid seal. So now you can just snap in the lid. Alright guys, so that is it. It is a super easy install, but if you have any questions or you just want to know more, you can always check it out on our website or give us a call, and I'll see you next time.